Hello, everybody. As you may have realized, the Atto Fridays are currently on a break. We're going to come back in September with new talks for you at the very end of September, actually. And I would like to use the opportunity to thank everybody for your support and also to make 3 announcements about our seminar series and our conference, Quantum Battles in Atto Science. And the first announcement is that by talking to people, we have heard that many of the Atto Fridays talks have been watched in some kind of informal hubs, which means that people in many institutions across the globe have booked a room and got a large screen and are watching them. It would be really helpful if you could drop an email to quantumbattles@gmail.com with pictures of these spontaneous hubs. And if you could let us know how it's taking place, because this is really nice to foster a sense of community. The second issue is that we are very thankful for your support regarding our YouTube channel. We have around 371 subscriptions. However, we would like really to see live support for our speakers, because the live interaction is very important to keep Atto Fridays well and healthy. And I would also like to call your attention that more often than not, there are unpublished results that are discussed live and they are edited out when the talks go to YouTube. So if you're just watching on YouTube, you're missing on unpublished material and a big chunk also of the discussions. And the third issue is, if you would like to see any controversial and trendy topics discussed in our conference, Quantum Battles 2023, which is going to take place at UCL at the end of June next year, do drop us again an email to quantumbattles@gmail.com and state what topic you would like to see discussed. And we're currently choosing the topics. We're going to be inviting people soon. So we always like to consult the community and have an idea of what people would like to see. And finally, I hope you enjoy your summer and see you at the end of September. Take care of yourselves.